Yeah, did anyone watch the game tonight with the Melbourne Stars taking on the Melbourne Renegades? I did. What a catch from Maxwell in the game. Oh, that was a mad catch he did. I loved his whack. Did anyone see his whack as well? How he whacked it over the grandstands? I saw that. That was the greatest whack I've ever saw. Great team. At least we won, Melbourne Stars. Renegades, you did well. But the Stars are the best. So, up the Stars. Best team ever. So, yeah. It's a great side, the Stars. What a game tonight. So, yeah. So I, hope, because we're playing the Sixers, I think this week or next week. I've got to check the schedule. But yeah, it's good we beat the Renegades tonight. The Renegades did well too, I've got to admit. But I went for the Stars because I'm a true Star supporter in the BPL. So, yeah, Maxwell, loved his whack, man. He can whack all right, you know. So, yeah. So, yeah, what a game. So, on top of that, did anyone see the marriage proposal at the game on TV, or if you were at the game, where those two Indians proposed for their wedding? Like, it looked like an engagement. I saw it. I was pretty marvellous, you know. Congrats to them. So yeah. I hope they yeah. I'm going live now.